Making small engraver's punch tool from a blank steel rod. Begin with a small steel rod with the desired length. Using grinder, I remove most of the material from the tip of the rod by consistently rotating the rod to create conical shape. I also dip the steel rod in cold water to keep the steel cool. On a 600 grit wheel, I will touch up the rod to make the final shape of the punch. Then, using 1200 grit or something similar, I will lightly touch 90 degrees perpendicular to the wheel to make the desired size of the tip. I will stop the sharpening wheel and lightly remove sharp edges from the punch tool by sliding the steel rod at an angle. Now I'm ready to place the steel punch into the QC holder and apply some texture by stippling lightly on a sandpaper. Now I will harden the punch tool by heating up the steel rod and quenching in the water. Now, let's test the new punch tool on the actual X I'm working on and see how it performs. Looks like this is going to be a good addition to my existing engraving tools.